kombucha. It's almost St. Patrick's Day. Welcome back to Luke's Lounge. My name is Mellyn. Today I'll be showing you how to make two cocktails, the Leaping Leprechaun and Pot o' Gold. I personally think the best way to kick off your St. Patty's Day shenanigans is by taking a shot. But the Leaping Leprechaun can easily be converted into a sippable cocktail. You would just serve it up in a martini glass. Ahead of time, you're going to want to brew a small cup of coffee or a shot of espresso and then chill it in the refrigerator for about 30 to 60 minutes. So before we actually make the cocktail, we're going to get our glasses ready. You're just going to dip the rim of your glass into a little simple syrup, or agave nectar works, honey too, but that would add a little flavoring. And then you just dip it in a little chocolate shavings that I just shaved. It just adds a little chocolatey goodness to your drink. Okay, now we're gonna assemble the drink. So first off, you're gonna need 1.5 ounces of Irish Whisky. Just need a shot of the chilled coffee. So 1 ounce of the coffee. And you need a 1/2 ounce of Irish cream. And 1 to 2 drops of peppermint extract. So you just add your ice. There we go. And give it a really good shake. And you just strain it into your shot glass. And that is your Leaping Leprechaun. So a lot of St. Patrick's Day themed cocktails are usually green because that's, you know, the traditional color, and that's a lot of fun. But I thought, why not make a gold cocktail? So this is the Pot o' Gold. To start off, you're going to, in your shaker, you're going to take 4 slices of cucumber, a few mint leaves, and then you're gonna juice 1/2 of a lemon into the glass. Okay, now you're just gonna muddle this up. There we go, so we're just getting color and flavor out of these. That's that. You're gonna add 2 ounces of vodka. Then you're gonna do 1/2 ounce of elderflower liqueur. And then, if you have it, to add more color and pizzazz, add a little bit of this edible gold glitter. Just makes the drink fun and definitely gives it more of that gold color. And then you just add your ice. And you just shake it up. You strain into your glass. This is a coupe glass, but martini glasses work great as well. See all that pretty gold glitter in there. And you top it off with a little club soda. Got that. Then you garnish it with a little slice of cucumber. And then I'm also gonna add these really fun little stir sticks that have clovers on them, just because the glitter falls to the bottom. So you might as well stir it up when you're enjoying this fun beverage. And that is the Pot o' Gold. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope these cocktails are a big hit at your St. Patrick's Day celebrations. Please like and subscribe. And as the Irish say, may the road rise up to meet you. See you next time.